Hello and welcome to Managing Works for Art Fairs. Here we wanted to make a space dedicated to help you manage the works you want to use in an art fair. So to start off, we have a space where you can see all available works and drag it to the columns to the different art fairs. This will add the tag of that art fair to this piece. So say we're wanting to do like the cherry arts that we talked about in the last one. You can click here and change this tag to Cherry Arts, and it'll change the name of the tag. Don't worry if it disappears. Simply click here, the ellipses, click Layout, Group by Art Fairs, and make it visible again. So just simply click here, it'll come back, and then we can change this name to Cherry Art. Then if we drag this over, it'll show up in this table. So what we have here is we have views made for different shows. If Cherry Art is one we do every year, we can see potential ones, so ones that aren't yet, that are in our bodies of work. We can see current pieces. So, if we have decided that this example finished piece is one we want in our selection for the show, we drag it over. We can also see past pieces and then also an inventory list of active pieces. So what we can do here is we can go to this section below, printable inventory list. We have a tutorial and a version of this in the milestones in getting to art fairs, but all it is a page with a limited database view. The reason we have a limited database view is normally when you export a database, you can filter the view, but not the properties. And since there's many properties on this, I know this might be a little advanced, we wanted a way so you can have just the discounted prices in one place. So we made this view where you can choose which art fair you want to have an inventory list for. So if you don't see this, you can click this button, which shows the filters. Click on which art fair. Right now we're looking at Cherry Arts. And then we have the price. Here I had an add size, so you can add the size. And then a discount. So say if I had set this price at 100 or 1,000, we offer what we call what the cash price would be if it was 35% off. A 10% discount, a 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. And the reason we've done this is so that way you know if and when you want to discount a piece, how much you want to discount it for. So what you can also do here is if you want to see more, we've also have calculated and set up a 45% and a 50%. And so all you have to do is again, click on the ellipses, click on properties, and then this is what are shown on the database. So you can hide them or add them back in. And they show up here on the database. So what you can do is you can scroll over. I'm going to shrink them down so they all fit. Center this in the page, click the ellipses, and we want to press export. This, I will do a PDF, and since I just want the name, I'm going to say just no files or images, just the database, and export. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, here, actually, let's type in the name. So I'm going to say example inventory. So it's going to be my downloads. So let's open up downloads. So in your downloads, you will find this zip. So it's like a compressed file. Click on it, and it'll open it up. And we want to go to the last one, inventory list PDF. If you click it, let me go full screen. It will create an inventory list here with whatever show we filtered and all the pieces and the prices. So this way you can have a very succinct inventory list that matches your pieces and allows you to understand how much would it be if you discounted the different piece. So I hope that helps with managing and preparing yourself for the art fairs. And good luck, and I hope you have a lot of sales. Thank you. Bye-bye.